We are pleased to show you the 2005 Freelander. Land Rover Freelander will go much farther in the backcountry than most anyone will want to go. Equipped with permanent all-wheel drive traction control, hill descent control, and a surprisingly capable suspension, the Freelander easily surpasses the capability of the Ford Escape, Toyota RAV4, or Honda CR-V, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear fog light, speed control, power moonroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.